Hi, we are Aloysius and Leslie, and we're here to introduce to you Focus Flow, a Telegram bot designed specially to make it easier for students to keep track of their tasks, to stay focused, organized, and motivated throughout their academic journey. So, what are the features that we have? Let me introduce them to you. Firstly, we have the task management feature, which is the core feature of our entire bot, designed to provide students with a seamless and efficient way to organize all of their tasks directly within the Telegram platform. The first key functionality includes creating a new task using New Task. Users will first be prompted to key in the name of the task. Users will then be prompted to select the deadline of this task by selecting the relevant year, month, and day of the deadline. Finally, users will be prompted to key in the appropriate number of days prior to the deadline they wish to receive a reminder from the Focus Flow bot. Do note that along each step of the way, users will be prompted to confirm their decision. If the user does not confirm their decision at any step of the way and selects No during confirmation, they will be re-prompted to enter the relevant details. The next key functionality would be View Tasks, which would provide users with a comprehensive breakdown of all their existing tasks and their associated deadlines. However, if users have no existing tasks left, they will be prompted with an error message. After conducting user testing, we added a new feature for this final milestone, the Edit Task feature, that will allow users to edit any information for a chosen task. This includes the name, deadline, or the reminder date of the task. Similar to View Task, user will be prompted with an error message if they have no existing task left in the system. Finally, users can also use Delete Task to organize their task. When used, users will be shown all of their existing tasks recorded and will then be able to select a task they wish to delete. Once again, if users have no outstanding tasks, they will be prompted with an error message. The second core feature of Focus Flow would be progress tracking. In short, this feature will periodically send users a breakdown of all their existing tasks at that point in time. To subscribe, users can simply use the Toggle Daily Summary feature and will receive the breakdown of existing tasks once daily. To unsubscribe, users can simply use the same command. The third core feature of the bot would be that the scheduler would run once through the task database daily. If the reminder date coincides with the current date, our bot will send out a reminder to the user of that task and prompt them of the upcoming deadline of that specific task. It is also important to note that we have enforced checks to allow users to only key in an appropriate number of days before the deadline to receive a reminder. This would mean that users cannot input a negative number of days. Additionally, for example, the current date is 28 July 2024, and the deadline of the task is 30th July 2024. Users are also not allowed to input more than 3 days of the days before the deadline to receive a reminder, since that would mean that the reminder would be sent out on 27 July 2024 and before, which is a past date. The next feature would be the motivational quotes feature, designed to uplift and encourage students. Users can easily opt in and out of this feature by using unsubscribe motivation and subscribe motivation. If a user is subscribed, they will then receive random motivational quotes pulled from an API once daily. It is also worthy to note that we imposed checks to disallow a subscribed user to subscribe again. Vice versa, if a unsubscribed user attempts to unsubscribe again, they will also be prompted with an error message. The last core feature would be the Wellness Reminders feature, aimed to promote a balanced and healthy lifestyle among students by providing regular reminders to engage in self-care or wellness activities. Users can easily opt in and out of this feature by using Subscribe Wellness and Unsubscribe Wellness respectively. If a user is subscribed, they will then receive wellness reminders every 2 hours. For this milestone, we have improved upon the list of reminders sent to users. Unfortunately, we were unable to source out an open and free API to get the wellness reminders from. Hence, we have came up with our own extensive list of wellness practices, customized to be sent to users depending on the time of the day, to provide a more customized and relatable experience. It is also worthy to note that we imposed checks to disallow a subscribed user to subscribe again. Vice versa, if a unsubscribed user attempts to unsubscribe again, they will also be prompted with an error message. Without further ado, let us take you through our bot. Sit back and enjoy. To use or test our bot, simply type in NUS FocusFlow_bot on Telegram. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy using FocusFlow. Stay focused, organized, motivated, and well.